All right, we're gonna go for a little ride here in a nice old classic Ford truck. We usually end up with a lot of Chevys or the older Fords, but this is a 65 Ford F100. It's a short bed. Everybody likes a short bed. It's a cool little sport truck. It's a custom cab. Looks pretty stock on the outside other than the Cragars. It has two-tone red and white. It's got a kind of an inexpensive paint job on it, but it looks good going up the road. It's got a nice interior. It's got the Dakota Digital gauges. It's got a custom auto sound stereo. It's got tilt steering column. But under the hood, it's got a nice, fresh, rebuilt 302 with atomic MSD fuel injection. It's got an AOD transmission, automatic overdrive, so you can get on the freeway and everything with it. No problem. It's got four-wheel power disc brakes with Wilwood Calipers and rotors. So it's got a lot, all the mechanical stuff is like dialed in. It's really super cool. It's just a nice driver. And affordable. So it's got vintage air conditioning. So, you know, everybody wants power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning. They want them to be drivable. And that's what this one is. Good looking truck. Runs nice and smooth, it's quiet, it's got dual exhaust, it's got Magnaflows on it. We'll go up here and I'll do a little walk around for you, do some more video and tell you a little bit more about it. All right, we'll do our little walk around here with our 1965 Ford F100. It's got the old school twin I-beam front end. This is a custom cab version, which probably meant a little extra chrome. It's got chrome around the windows and the dual mirrors, side trim. So not just a work truck, you know, nice little truck. Short bed. It's got those Cragar wheels on there, 15-inch. Great looking little vehicle. You know, chrome bumpers. The bed's not in bad shape. Pretty good, pretty solid. Doesn't seem to be, you know, much rust or anything like that on this truck either. Some paint things here and there. It's kind of an inexpensive paint job. But you know what? You can drive this thing, you don't worry about it. Park it in a parking lot, go to Home Depot with it. Still looks great. You get thumbs up cruising it around. Previous owner opted for four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes, so it stops real good. Also has that 302 with fuel injection and an overdrive automatic transmission, 4-speed automatic. Phenomenal. Just makes it so you can get on the freeway and go. It's still an old truck, you know, wanders a little bit, things like that. But boy, it's a long ways from what it was when it was original. Got the H4 headlights on there. Nice bright lights. Air conditioning, electric fan. Oil cooler. All the good stuff. Inside's pretty stock except for the, it's got a tilt steering column. Yeah, nice carpeting, nice seat upholstery, nice door panels. It's got one of those custom auto sound stereos that fits in the dash. Always like those, or Bluetooth. There's the MSD controller for the atomic fuel injection. It's got gauges on there. You can actually adjust it if you want, but it's dialed in right now. Also has a little port there, USB port to charge your phone. And those really cool Dakota Digital gauges. Just a nice finishing touch. And of course a tilt wheel. I think the only thing left to do on the inside would be a headliner. It's got some Dynamat in there, some, you know, some heat shielding. Also behind the seat, they did the tank. So, you know, headliner's probably a few $100. You're never done. Also has the 3-point shoulder belts, a little safer for the, in case you get yourself in a wreck, which I hope you don't do. Nice little truck, affordable. Little short bed pickups of the 60s are getting expensive. This one's still not going to break the bank. All right, here's the power plant in our 65 Ford F100. Like I mentioned earlier, it's got a nice, fresh, rebuilt 302. It's got an Edelbrock aluminum intake, MSD fuel injection, MSD distributor, electronic ignition. It's got the serpentine setup up here with AC, PowerMaster alternator, electric fan, power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes by Wilwood. All the goodies. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. injection is, it doesn't use too much fuel. It's not going to smell like gas. A lot of people cry about, oh, I smell gas, you know. But that's classic cars for you usually, but you don't get that with the fuel injection. Got a little bit of a computer in there, so it's a good running little motor. Got dual exhaust going out the back, all the way out under the bumper. Nice little sound to it. Well, if you want to check this cool little truck out, come out to California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you a tour of the shop and show you this truck, take it for a spin. Or if you just want me to put it on a truck and get it loaded out to you wherever you live, we can do that too. All right, thanks for watching.